when my jar was empty, I was fresh out of Cincy, even brown weed with 10. My connect said he was all out of dank, so I picked up my pipe for that resin disgrace. Always fiending for that smoke in my lungs, so I'm searching my house, all I'm finding is crumbs. Hit up my homie saying, who got the tree? Need to re-up my stash, need to find that stick. Woke up this morning, I was down to my last 2 or 3 grams. Forgot my pipe at home, so I used an aluminum can. God damn, that shit was rough. At least I got a puff. Weed I used to smoke was fluff. Bottom of the bag typed up. What is this? Wasn't picky like I am today. Shit, I used to buy 5 sacks with lunch money that I saved. Me and my homies throwing down to split a sack. Only problem is this weed man still ain't hitting me back. Did me dirty. Been up early on a hunt for green. I know some cats who say they got it, but that weed ain't even clean. I start to fiend, scraping resin from my piece to coat. Man, I can't help but laugh when I look back on what we used to smoke. Before we had our own garden we grew, we never had a dozen different phenotypes we could choose. Ain't no dab rigs, just cold hits and snakes in the grass. Back when my jar was empty, those were days of the past. Now I'm spoiled. I remember when I used to scrape the resin from my pipe just to make it through the night. Y'all spoiled. I remember waiting for the weed man to hit me back just to re-up on a sack. Now I'm spoiled. Growing trees in my yard with a personal stash in a mason jar. I'm spoiled. Still can't forget the days trying to get high, but got no weed to play. Impatiently been waiting for that freshie blazing. Don't know the struggle if you never rolled a generation. There was a time when I would roll a bud right off the floor. Now I got strains from A to Z up in my corridor. Connoisseur, weed snob, yep, I'm spoiled. I used to smoke that dirt weed, now it's living soil. That tinfoil wrap Doja sack, I used to cop it when the bags were light because they got pinched before I got it. Them days are over now, my THC is frozen now. My backyard is full of trees, I learned how to grow some pounds. Used to be dry, it was rough, now I got enough to let it cure for a month. That potent herb, I'm a puff, I'm stocked. Freshly harvested tops for the stash. My boy Pez, bro, will spin it, wash it, rosin the hash. I ain't forgot about the past, them copper pipes that we ashed, those plastic bottle bongs we made before we had any glass. I'm spoiled. I remember when I used to scrape the resin from my pipe just to make it through the night. Y'all spoiled. I remember waiting for the weed man to hit me back just to re-up on a sack. Now I'm spoiled. Growing trees in my yard with a personal stash in a mason jar. I'm spoiled. Still can't forget the days trying to get high, but got no weed to play. Back when my jar was empty, I was fresh out of Cincy, even brown weed with 10. My connect said he was all out of dank, so I picked up my pipe for that resin disgrace. Always fiending for that smoke in my lungs, so I'm searching my house, all I'm finding is crumbs. Hit up my homie saying, who got the tree? Need to re-up my stash, need to find that stick.
My stomach's so hungry, I need some mad munchies. How many G's we smoked, nobody never really believed. Felt like a track meet, inhaling smoke heavily. Barely time enough to take a breath of air and breathe. Now I'm straight craving a BLT with extra bacon. No onions, don't need my breath to be stinking. Now for dessert, let's see what we got for some options. Dairy Cream, Marie, calendars, or Baskin Robbins. The clerk was cool at the 31 flavors. He let everybody make their own shit, and yes, he gave us everything for free, 50 free, no charge. So we gotta ate the weed and 2 girlies in his car. Past silly stoner, plus my gut was still growling. Louder than a pack of coyotes, full moon howling. 3 a.m., 7-Eleven, thinking God, cause stoners heaven's 24, they never ever close a shop.
Kisses and sugar buzz free. Chili cheese, crunching ones dry. Chocolate chip, cookie dough, cheap. Flamin' hot and mango smooth. Burritos with extra cheese, jalapeno hot sauce. Pour down a lemon squeeze, lime. Pepperoni pizza, hot wings. French fries are smooth.
big gangsters start dipping Oreo cookies. Soak until they get soggy, let them fall apart to the bottom of my cup. Turn them up, drink them like coffee. You know I got the munchies and I'm at 7-Eleven getting a Slurpee and some nachos. Then bounce out to Del Taco and get a chicken quesadilla that I bought us some vato. Oh, just ask my girl about my munchies. Where do we need a whip? Hurry up, pack it quick, light it up, let it fly, feel the bug, get you high, take a trip on my dip into space off the kind. In my mind, I'ma find another place for my rhyme. I got the motherfucking munchies, so I think I'll go eat this one girl named Allison Cherry.
Once in my college, Twizzlers, Everlicious, Snapchers, and chili dogs, the hostess, fruit pies and cupcakes, Twinkies, singers, crumb donuts with some Kool-Aid, rice, crispy treats, rich cheeses, frozen grapes, grilled cheese sandwiches with ranch, banana, split string cheese, double-doubles, golden graham, cinnamon, and sugar-covered churros.
Cannabis is in my blood, and vape is on my brain. Ganja's all up in my lungs, 'cause I've been lighting chronic with the flame. Feeling real, ganja fire. When I touch the mic, they don't stand a chance, 'cause I'm known to take out fake MCs like a bottom branch on my 10-foot ganja plant. Enhance my vision with the crystal binder, harvest time. Have a pair of fiskars and I'll sharpen mine. Fastest trimmer in the West, Edward Scissorhands. California cultivation in my garden, twisting grams. Let me remind you, provide you with sticky fire. My seed has been germinating, my roots hit the micro-riser and explode in the dank mode of a dopamine. I'm tired of these imitators claiming that they growers when the only green they ever clipped was working as a lawnmower. Tactical situation, I pull the pin. I'm slow. No, I'm not sober. I stay higher than comet choppers that mob over. I drop lyrics like seeds into the soil. I'm spoiled with every flavor. No, I'm about to probably get a smell complaint from my neighbor, but I still grow. Steel-toe boots that stay dirty. Early bird gets the worm castings. Farmers heard me, 'cause my lingo is from Mendocino. See no limits. World record best outdoor. Go ask Guinness, we been in this. Rollers always try to destroy this. Know the game's changing fast, I'm just trying to enjoy this. I avoid this type of cat who spreads like boitress. Pull my atomizer out, now there's no more voices. The rollers wanna see me on the yard. Hate 'cause I grew up on a marijuana farm. Turning on they sirens and ringing they alarm. Rubbing on my jar like it's a good luck charm. Yo, rap tastes wet. My flow's been cured, rhyme to perfection. I pull them out the stash spot. Farming's my profession. Wanted man, outlaw edibles I'm ingesting. Every branch holding weight, they say my plan is flexing. Killer, that's what I was stuffing in my blunt. Opened up my jar inside the car, he thought he hit a skunk. You thought you had the good, and by now you getting jealous. 'Cause I'm with the dope fellas, on top like a trellis. Step into my garden, take a puff and let your mind go. Legalize ganja and then watch the rate of crime slow. I can feel the dirty looks, questioning why I grow. Put my plants on a flatbed, that's a wide load. Super cropping, mainlining Bushmaster bros. Canopy of colas let you know that we some pros. Age-old kelp crab meal mixing my potion. Soluble seaweed powder and fish emulsion. Swimming in the green ocean, great white. Moon's out, gravity pulling, it's late night. I'm the type who gets down and dirty in dank trees. Heard my raps and they fell like wilted fan leaves. That's old beef, that's old beef. I'm the T-R double, I'm the T-R double. I got hydrate in my blood and dirt in my brain. I got fire in my lungs, 'cause I've been lighting something with the flame.
Wake 'em up, Tracks.
On the ganja go, feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme, teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go, I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. On the ganja go, feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme, teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go, I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. I've been growing for over a decade. Built brands, helped y'all get paid. Full term, sun grown high grade. Mendo, the hills I was raised. straight from Gil. No, I won't change, I keep it real. Let's crack the seal on this. Jar smells like an orange peel in this. Roll it, light it, now we feeling this. Crystal shining, now we healing this. Pain that I had is gone. Say what I had in the bag was wrong. Then I grew up and I found out what I had in my backpack and the bag was bomb. Tell him move on if he ain't down. Dank what I'm passing round. Born in a ganja town, every year I plant new seeds in the ground on a ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. On the ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. Only I'ma get back at with this dope rhyme. Yo, I'm a gas on this. Write my rap with hash on this. Fingerprints of resin, I'm representing ganja farmer back on this. Been growing that dank and I'm pushing that top rank straight from the outlaw scene. I'ma break this down like enzymes in the soil from the alfalfa seeds. SSTs, brew with these, grew the trees, who taught ya? Sticky smelling like lemon squeezed on all this good green ganja. If it ain't terpy, don't want ya. I got too much varieties to choose, all green shock ya. I'm one of the best to ever do it. Got laced by the ones who led the movement. Set trends on the world the way we grew it. As P did it, just how we do it. Some more of it. When I roll this potent dope in it, shakes your focus, hold it in and choke. Real weed culture, what I spoke, and I teach this technique coast to coast. Let's toast. We don't brag, but we do got enough fresh weed in December to fill up Santa Claus bag. I'ma go bad if I ain't got no smoke. Shit, I'ma jump out in the field, start chewing on plants. Don't trip on me, I'm the ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme. On the ganja go. Feeling like the greatest of all time. Get you high with this dope rhyme. Teaching cultivation worldwide. On the ganja go. I'ma get you high with this dope rhyme.
Stay,